Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Today, guys, I have something special for you guys. So, today I will teach you guys on how to play subsets chords. Yes, you're playing chords which are not yet complete, like half step of them, subset chords. So, they are so interesting, so you can do a lot of stuff with them, and you can just play along. You can add your play, like your riff play, anything. You can do anything with them. It is so special and beautiful. So let's get to know them. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we will play this subset chord in the key of E major. The E major, the normal E major is always like this. So the E major is always like that. As you know, the E major, how it looks. So like, I want to play the E major fully. So that is subset. So it is like this. So this is a subset chord. So like in our first fret, we will like pick the third string, the G string. Then in our second fret, we will pick like the fourth string. So it becomes a subset chord. So this is our first subset chord. Then second, F sharp minor. So our first is E, then F sharp minor. It is like this. So like you will, on the second fret, the third string, which is the G string, then the fourth string on the fourth fret. Yeah. So that's another subset chord. So our first E, F sharp minor, then move like your fingers, move them the way they are to the fourth fret. That's our G minor. Okay, G minor. If you go back, F sharp minor. Okay, G, E, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, then A major. A major is like this. So we want to play it as subset chord. That's a beauty on it. So the way you like play the first E chord, the way you play the major ones. So like the F sharp. No, what am I doing? I'm so nervous. So the way you play the E string, the E chord, it's the way you play the major ones. The major ones will be played them. So this is E major. On the first fret, you just use two fingers like this, the chill ones. So then if you slide to the sixth fret and the seventh fret, that's our A major. Then jump one fret with the same shape, that's our B major. A major, B, back to one. subset. They're so interesting when you play along with them. Yeah. So you can do a lot of things with them. You can add beautiful things. The way they are, it is so beautiful. So like you can do a lot of things with them, add beautiful things. Yeah. So I think this song is so familiar, but I don't know how it is played by it. But the way my muscle of memory, it is telling me, it's what I usually hear. Na, 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 na. Something like that. So what have I done here? This is this F sharp. So I'll add a seventh on it. So it becomes more spicy and it has a flavor. Like yeah, something like that. So like the way, so slide your hand, your finger, so the way you play the A major, so slide this like slide to one fret. So from here guys, don't know if you can see clearly. So from here, so you see I've slide. Then what I'm interested with is this. When I'm in that fret, this fret, what I'm interested with is this string, the B string. So this B string, our second string, then our fourth string, then and our third string. So our fourth string, this finger, the middle finger, will go on the fourth string on the second fret. Then this third finger, the ring finger, will go on the third string on the that fret. So you can do a lot of things with them. Yeah, you can add. You can add. You can do a lot of things with them. Yeah, hopefully you have understand. Yeah, see you next time. We will do more of these subset chords. Yeah, so please subscribe guys and make sure you don't miss out any lesson. We are doing this to improve our playing and to sound better in everything that you will do. Yeah, I believe you will sound much better in this channel. Welcome guys to our family. Feel free to subscribe and join. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye guys.